Introducing TotalWorx 2200 Resilient Adhesive, the ultimate solution for your flooring needs. Crafted with precision and performance in mind, this adhesive offers a range of benefits to streamline your installation process and ensure superior results. With its aggressive tack and fast grab, TotalWorx 2200 Resilient Adhesive delivers a strong and reliable bond, ensuring your flooring stays firmly in place. It's designed as a transitional adhesive, making it versatile for a variety of flooring types and applications. Experience the convenience of a high-strength, water-resistant bond, providing durability and longevity in any environment. Plus, its one-part system increases ease of installation, saving you time and effort during the project. TotalWorx 2200 Resilient Adhesive is also LEED v4 contributing, meeting environmental standards while delivering exceptional performance. With a generous spread rate of 175 to 225 square feet per gallon, you can cover more ground with less product, reducing waste and saving cost. Elevate your flooring projects with TotalWorx 2200 Resilient Adhesive, the trusted choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike.